to steal all of Justin Bieber's and Justin Timberlake's fans.
Yes.
So we figured instead of two good-looking white guys, if you had a black one and a white one,
We have the same church.
something might work. So we came up with this. Yeah, I'll start it out. So this to that special girl. Some of y'all too young to know about this, but just act like you're 20 years older. Yeah, see, look, she's getting excited already. I like it. This song is gonna be a hit. All right, so ready? Here we go. I think back to the days when I got my grind on. To be a future star's all I had my mind on. See, paper was thin, now it wasn't too long, but you was the one, girl, kept me headstrong. But look at us now, we straight living in style. Taking trips to the mall, dropping a couple of thou. You my girl, I'm your man, and you truly understand. I'm a celeb life, so you know the real sin. See, baby, I kept my grind. Now things are fine, told me I would make it. Just give it some time, just like when I met you, you still make me smile. And I hope one day that we can walk that aisle, do the good and the bad. You made me feel secure. That Mary J. real love that I was looking for. Your heart was so pure, my mind was immature. Sometimes I messed up and never showed me the door. Holla. Took me to heaven, girl. Yeah. Yeah. I never let you down. Some come and go, but you're still around. See, you my only girl. I've been around the world, but I get the diamonds, you can get the pearl. I call you wifey, your girls are like me. They just jealous, girl, they just despite me. See, you my real girl, and you just so nice. You can be the girl, and I can be the wife, but we can separate, cause love is so great. I tell them other girls, hold up, wait. Cause you the real deal, you know how I feel. You got the body of a goddess and a sex appeal. I never let you go, you never let me go. I'll be your man, I never let you go. I never let you go. Took me to heaven, girl. Took me to heaven, girl. I never let you go, you never let me go. I never let you go, you never let me go. I never let you go, you never let me go.
Oh my God.